Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica in virtual reality on your Oculus Quest 2 headset. First, understand that Subnautica VR is a PC-only experience, meaning you'll need a capable gaming computer. Your Quest 2 will act as the display, connecting to your PC either wirelessly or with a cable. We'll cover the essential software, hardware requirements, and even some helpful modifications to enhance your underwater adventure. To begin, your computer needs to be ready for virtual reality. Aim for at least an Intel Core i5 4590 or AMD Ryzen 5 1500X processor, 8 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970 or AMD Radeon 400 series graphics card. Install Steam, Steam VR, and the Oculus PC app. For the best experience, download QMod Manager and the VR Enhancements mod to fix common issues and improve immersion. Next, connect your Quest 2 headset to your PC. The most stable option is a physical Oculus Link cable, providing a direct connection. For wireless freedom, you can use Oculus AirLink, built into the Oculus software, or purchase Virtual Desktop. For wireless streaming, your PC must be connected via Ethernet to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi 5 or 6 router, with your Quest 2 on the same network. Once connected, launch Subnautica through Steam VR. While some mods offer motion control support, a traditional gamepad often provides the most reliable movement and interaction. To boost performance, set your PC's mirror monitor resolution to a smaller size, like 640 by 480 pixels. Playing while seated in a clear, open space can also significantly improve comfort and reduce potential motion sickness during your deep-sea exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.